Robertson Family Racing Pigeons. This is James. Hope this finds everybody well. Welcome back to the channel. If you have not already subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate it if you go ahead and hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss any updates. Here's a little bit of what we've been up to at Robertson Family Racing Pigeons over the last week. Enjoy. Still got one hatching right there. Look at that. I'll give it back. Pretty cute. Look at that. It's awesome. Tappity tap. That's his little beak poking out of there. Bust out of there, little guy. Or girl. Pretty cool. Look at that little baby. It's the only time a baby pigeon is cute. Right there, the first day or two. Awesome. Here they are. Here are the youngsters of Lonestar and Athena. Look at those cuties. Just hatched today. Welcome to the world, guys. Cup of Joe and Black Widow's youngsters. Look at that, just hatched today. Nice job, Cup of Joe. Those are fine looking youngsters. Super cute. Awesome. And there's Big Boy. In this nest are the eggs of Thing 1 and Lavender. Let's see if they've hatched. Oh, wait, look at that. Yep, one has. Look at that. Oh, yes. Let's check this one. Oh, let's see. Yep, look at that. It's breaking out. See how that pencil? Thing 1. It's busting out of there. Okay, here you go, here you go. Here you go. All right, I'm gonna let you be. Sorry, I just had to check with those guys. Just had to check, buddy. Lonestar and Athena's youngsters. Hey, let's take a look, see. Let's take a look. Oh, there they are. Super cute. Good job, bud. Nice job, Lonestar. Awesome breeding cock right here. Here's Fat Bottom Girl. Our youngsters are several days older than everybody else's. They're hiding with the little butts sticking out there. Oh yes, they're all snuggled up underneath their mom, Fat Bottomed Girl. Nice work. Well done. Congratulations. We will let you be. nest box front back on for you. Give you a little bit of privacy. Let's see here. Bing bong. Good job. And Athena and 836. This is 836 right here. Let's see what we got here. Come on. There they are, look at that. So it looks like, ouch, that would hurt. Looks like the babies like to snuggle up the opposite direction of their parents. So their faces are snuggled in that direction. Interesting. So far, every nest that we've checked, that's the way the babies have been. Kind of cool. There's thing one, cooing to Lavender. Got the nest bowl in that corner for them. She is a good cock. Good job, thing one. Good job, Lavender. Let's check. There's 278. Down here we have the special Marie Curie sitting on her eggs. Good job, Marie Curie. Doing great. Really excited about your youngsters. We'll check her eggs in another day or two, make sure they're fertile. Last round was not. Good job, Marie Curie. Making us proud. Good job, 278. Marie Curie's eggs. It's still afternoon, not dark, but maybe we'll still be able to see it. Let's take a look. Oh man, wasn't very brave, Marie Curie. Oh yes, that's what we want to see. Good job, 278 and Marie Curie. There's one. Let's look at this one. Yep. There it is. We got some youngsters. Hallelujah. It's good we put them in their own section. Right? Good job, you two. Here's my kitchen floor. See that? That? Everywhere. My bands.